Hello and welcome to TFA Analysis. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
These three people you are seeing have been arrested by the government of Cameroon for treating wounded Ambazonia fighters. They are all workers. One of them is a doctor, Dr. Jan Sama. And these two women are nurses, all from Banso Baptist Hospital, BBH. They have been arrested, accused by the government of Cameroon for treating wounded Ambazonia fighters. And that is what we are going to discuss today. Because when this incident happened, that was on the 10th of September 2022, this very month, I presented a video on that. And my point of presenting that video was not the wickedness or the stupid and unprofessional behavior of the military of the Cameroon government for pulling Ambazonia fighters who were wounded and was admitted in the hospital for treatment. They pulled them out of the hospital and killed them beside the hospital. That was not the main reason I presented that video. I presented that video. In that video, I was talking about that the government of Cameroon should not go after the hospital. Because by then, when that incident happened, I know how stupid and how wicked the government of Cameroon is. I understood their agenda in southern Cameroon. And that is why I make that statement, that they should not go after the hospital. That they should not go after the hospital. They should not go after the nurses. They should not go after the doctor, because they are doing their work. They were trained to treat people, sick and wounded people, irrespective of who they are. Whether they are their enemies, they have the right to treat them. Little do I know, when it stay for up to 2-3 weeks, I say, oh, for the first time, the government of Cameroon will respect such. I didn't know that they were planning something behind. And on Thursday, they arrested these 3 people for treating Ambazonia fighters. I'm asking this particular question, whether Ambazonia fighters are not human beings. Because according to international law, all human beings, everybody who is living, have the right. Everybody who is living has the right to treatment. Everybody. And when you go to the hospital sick, when you go to the hospital wounded, the doctors, they don't have any right to ask you, who are you, before treating you. If they find out and discover that you are an armed robber, you are terrible, you are somebody, a terrorist, or who is somebody who is not needed in the society, they will admit you and be treating you, then inform the police. And the police will come there and handcuff you or arrest you while in the hospital. They will not take you away. You will be allowed in the hospital, and when your treatment will be complete, then you will be taken to the police station to answer to your crime. But what is happening in Cameroon, we cannot explain. Meaning the government of Cameroon also is coming to explain to us, to tell us that all Ambazonia fighters who have been arrested and are in prison, if anything happened to them in prison, they will not be taken to the hospital. Or if they take them to the hospital, will they arrest the nurses or the doctor that will attend to them after? Because it's the very thing. These people, these doctors, they were not treating the Ambazonia fighter in the bush. They were not hiding the Ambazonia fighter somewhere and treating them. They were treating them in the hospital. That is where they were treating them. In the hospital. And then you came there, you pulled the Ambazonia fighters and killed them. Why then coming back to the doctors? Why are you coming back against them? It is terrible, and we're pleading with the Cameroon government to learn something. Stop increasing your crime, war crime, because one day you will answer to it. And you military that they are just sending you, you are doing things without thinking. One day your name will appear also, and they will call you. They don't touch. There are areas when you are fighting, you don't. You people are the one to be educating the Ambazonia fighter, when not to go. Because if you do not attack school, if you do not enter hospital, if you do not kill children and women, the Amazonian soldier will know that, oh, these people who have been trained, that they don't go this area. When maybe something happened in the hospital, they will come and stop. They will not maybe disturb the hospital or the school or this. But you people are killing, entering school, breaking into hospital, doing whatsoever you are doing. And the Amazonian fighter, what they will do, you people will publish it. That's why CRTV will be singing it. But when the military, the Cameroon government act this way in a very stupid way, nobody will talk about it. Because you guys have been given an agenda to destroy Southern Cameroon. It is terrible that innocent people keep on paying the price. They keep on paying the price. Why are you arresting nurses and doctors for treating Ambazonia fighters? Are they the ones sponsoring them? No. You know where the Ambazonia fighters are. Because if you call yourself you are a professional military for up to 5 years today, a criminal, somebody you call a terrorist, it is in your land, in your territory, a very small territory, Southern Cameroon, a very small place. For 5 years today, you cannot locate them. And many people are saying, no, it is because the Amazonia are too strong, they are well educated, they are like this, they are like this, the fighter know the area. It is not because of that. It is because the military are not in Southern Cameroon to end the Anglophone crisis. They are in Southern Cameroon for the government of President Bobia to achieve their aims in Southern Cameroon. Their aim is to force all Southern Cameroonians to go out, mostly to the Francophone regions, so that they will be assimilated. Because for 5 years today, the military are in Southern Cameroon. All of them know where the Ambazonia fighters are staying. They don't go there. Ambazonia fighters are moving every day. Like what happened in Bali. That Ambazonia fighter will leave from a village, far distant area, come to Bamenda, kidnap somebody and go back with all the checkpoints. The military say they don't know. They are collaborating together. But the Amazonia don't know that the military are supporting them so that they can destroy Southern Cameroon, frustrate them, assimilate them. That is what is happening. I'm pleading with you guys to release these 3 people. They are innocent. They have the right to treat anybody without asking. Even you, the military, you people have been going to the hospital. You cannot say that for 5 years today you have not gone to BBH as a military for treatment. You cannot claim that you have not gone there. And then after treating you, what do you expect? Would your Amazonia fighter come and kidnap or arrest those people, the nurses and the doctor, for treating you? Would they come? Why are you arresting them for treating Amazonia fighters? If you people start doing this, now Amazonia comes in there and say any nurse or doctor treating any military will be arrested. Meaning there will be no doctor and there will be no nurses in Southern Cameroon. And who will suffer? The population, the common people. The government of Cameroon, think before you